Hello, what's up guys, welcome in next tutorial where I will show you how to add a comment on YouTube. I will show you step by step how to do it. Okay, so first what you need to do is log in on your YouTube account. Next you must enter in a video which you need. Okay, for example this. And now what you need is page down here, and here you may write a comment. And you may write it what you need. Okay, and now you click on the comment. Okay, and if you don't need this comment, you may click here, these three dots, and here you have delete. And you may also sort by top comments and newest first. It will be your. Okay, but I delete, and that's all. That's all in this video. I hope that I help you. You may write a comment which tutorials you need. So thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others. Bye bye, and see you in other videos. Thanks.